This recording is going to show you how to handle getting an item shipped or the details in eBay anyway. If your item is a drop ship, then you do not actually print a shipping label, which is what will show in eBay once an item is ready to be sold, or I'm sorry, has been sold and is ready to be shipped. However, any other action you need to perform will be under this drop-down arrow. So you just click that drop-down next to print shipping label. If you are shipping the item as a drop ship item, then you'll come down here and click View Record. When you click on View Record, it will give you the details of the customer, and you can simply click, as it says here, Copy to Clipboard. You click on the name, it will copy that. Then you'll go and paste that into the name field on Amazon, for example, when you're shipping the item to the ship to address. And then you'll come back here and you'll click on the street address and it shows copied. And then you can go and paste that into the window or tab that you have open with the order into the ship to section. And you just continue through all details on that there. For the address, or I'm sorry, for the phone number, you'll come over and copy the phone number and first paste it up here in the search bar on eBay just to delete that +1. So you paste it in, highlight the +1 and the space after the 1 and delete all of that so that you have just the 10-digit phone number with the hyphens in between. And then you'll cut that or copy it out of that field and then go paste it into your address section on Amazon where it requires the phone number. And so that is how you will get the information to process the order on Amazon. Once you have placed the order on Amazon or other website for dropship, you will come back to this section here. You will click on the drop-down arrow there and click Mark as Shipped. After you click Mark as Shipped, the next link that will show up will be Add Tracking Number. Once you receive that tracking information from Amazon or your other website where you are shipping the item from, you will come in here, click Add Tracking Number, and enter that tracking information into eBay. And that is how eBay and PayPal can verify that the item is being shipped and can verify when it has been received. And so that is how you will process an order for a drop ship on eBay and the steps that you need to take here on eBay.